Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this UGREEN microphone, desktop microphone that this brand sent to me for the video. I'm going to show it to you in a close-up in a few seconds, and we're actually going to switch to the audio on the computer so I can actually do a voiceover with this microphone just for you to hear how it feels, and of course, you can actually see it on a close-up. It's actually a pretty good one, I have to say. It transmits in 24 bits and 96 kilohertz. So the other good thing about this one as well, as you can see over here, you can actually put it in any position, just like vertical or just like going up, in case that you want to do something like this. It's going to be closer, or you can actually go the other way. So that's actually pretty good. It comes with a volume knob over here as well, and some buttons over here that's going to show the RGB light. So this is kind of like a gamer one. I like to think that it's like a gamer microphone that you can actually do for streaming, for PlayStation 5, computer gaming, and things like that. And of course, just record yourself or do some video editing on some other things for sure. And it also comes with a mute button, which I think it's super nice to have. You can take a closer look over here, but now we're gonna jump on the computer. But before, let me show you that it comes with a USB-C cable that comes with a USB-A. So you're just like connected, plug it to your computer, and that's it. It's gonna recognize it right away. It's plug and play. And also the instruction manuals over here with multiple languages in case you need it. Also comes with a really nice rubber pad over here, so it won't move easily once that is on the desk. So that's another good thing. Let's actually jump on a closer look with a voiceover with the audio on the microphone. This is just to test the 24 bits and 96 kilohertz on the UGREEN microphone. This desktop microphone has some really nice properties, like for example the RGB lights, and of course the volume knob, as well as the button for the mute button. And also you can actually connect it to a pair of headphones using the 3.5 jack. The sound quality is really good, but also you can see that it's crispy audio, and you're not gonna have any issues when doing things like gaming, broadcasting, live streaming, or of course also editing videos with this microphone. I like it. I do recommend it. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.